Racing just is started. We have Okoboy. Break quickly to start. Win lane is by the rail. Security Magic in racing in third. Then next song that is Best Kept Secret. Sing a song Bohemian Dave. Don't Explain Zubaru's second last while Flowing Kush is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Okoboy. Win lane is on the outside. Security Magic is racing in third. Sing a song on the outside. Now is Best Kept Secret. Then next online is Don't Explain. Bohemian Dave. Zubaru's second last while Flowing Kush is still racing and last. Back to the leader. We have Okoboy and Win Lane are fighting out for the lead. Security Magic still in third. Then next online now is Best Kept Secret. Sing a song Don't Explain. Zubaru Bohemian Dave second last while Flowing Kush is still in behind them. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Okoboy by about 5 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Security Magic. Win lane and on the outside, Best Kept Secret as they swing for home. Okoboy by about 5 lengths. Security Magic in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Okoboy followed now by Best Kept Secret, and finally it's Okoboy. Best Kept Secret close between three runners, Bohemian Dave, Security Magic, and Win Lane.